Hey citizens, welcome back to Life with Sid. Today's video is a little different from what you guys are used to me doing. Today's video is going to be a Apple unboxing. Yes, I got my own laptop finally. I've been using my husband's laptop, and his laptop is a little old. It's probably like a 2012 Mac, and I didn't want to buy this. I was very hesitant, and then my husband just ordered it, and it came in the mail, and so I was so excited because sometimes I get frustrated when I'm trying to use his Mac, because he used his Mac for our t-shirt printing business, and his Adobe, whatever he uses, some type of Adobe programs, it takes up a lot of storage, and his Mac doesn't have that much storage. And then when I upload my videos, you guys know videos take up a lot of storage. So I'm so happy that he ordered this for me, and I don't even know what he ordered. I just know it's a MacBook Pro in here. So I decided, like, I'm going to open this with my citizens. And before I get into opening this box, if you're new here and you like videos like this, unboxing videos, I do fashion videos, luxury, and lifestyle vlogs, hit that subscribe button and join the family, become a citizen. So without further ado, let's get into opening this MacBook Pro. I'm super stoked, because I don't even think I need scissors. If you share a laptop with your household and you do YouTube videos, you know it's a mess. So here it is. It is a MacBook Air. Oh, MacBook Air, and it looked like it's in I guess that's like rose gold. Yes, MacBook Air. Look, I can't wait to open it up. MacBook Air, guys. So we got that, and then he got me a little bag from Apple. I don't know what's inside. And once I get everything open, set up, I'll do a little review on it, and do a comparison from my old Mac to the new Mac. Like I said, it's like a 2012, and you guys know that's pretty old for a Apple product, because they upgrade and add features. And I think when we got that Mac in 2012, we was getting it just to have a Mac. So what is this? This is a US cable C. Oh, this is the cable where I'll be able to transfer all my footage to the Mac, because I edit my videos in iMovie, so that would be cool. And what is this? This is a USB-C to SD reader. Oh, this is good. This is good. So this is for my SD reader, which is somewhere around here, I don't know, where I usually put the SD reader. I gotta put the reader into the little box, and then put the box into the side of the laptop, then transfer everything over. It's a mess the way that's why it takes me so long to upload videos sometimes. But with this, it will be so much easier. I needed all this stuff. And this is a USB-C lightning charger. Okay. So I guess this is for my phone because I have the slow charger. What's this? Oh, and here is the iPod Pros, the Air Pros. The Air Pros. Yes, I'm going to open these up. I'm going to open these up now. And then I have these too, but I have the first generation. So I'm going to open these up, and of course I'm going to do another video comparison to see if it's even worth upgrading your AirPods. But I do have these, and I have the first generation. Oh, they're so little. So they are shaped a lot different. They're like shorter. And here they are. You see them? You see the box is a little different. And they shape a lot different. I don't know if you can see that shape. So of course I'm going to link these to my phone. And what else comes in here? Let's see. And then I'll do a review. Oh, and it comes with like little extra, the little buds. Comes with different sizes. The little buds that go inside of your ear. And it shows you on the box how to give you an idea of how to change the buds out. So it comes with the little interchangeable buds. And it comes with lightning cable to charge them. And this is wireless too. So if you have like one of those wireless charger things, you can just sit this on there and charge them instead of using the plug. So yes, that is it for my Apple unboxing. And like I said, I'm going to maybe use these for about a week or two, and then I'll come back and do another video to tell you like if it's worth it, because I heard these supposed to have like noise cancellation, and the other ones I don't think they have noise cancellation. But I just know sometimes when I'm using my AirPods and if I'm somewhere where it's noisy, it picks up more of the noise in my background than what the person can hear me talking. So these are supposed to be so much better. I don't know, I can't remember if these are like water resistant or not. Doesn't really say if they're water resistant. And of course it comes with a little packet to tell you how to connect them to your phone. But if you had one pair, anything Apple, you know, Apple products are very, very simple to pair to your phone, your iPad, or your laptop, or yeah, MacBook. I keep saying laptop, but it's a MacBook. Correction. So that is it for this quick little unboxing. And like I said, I'll come back in a week and I'll do a review on the MacBook Pro and on the AirPods, and I will compare them to the first generation and compare the new MacBook Pro compared to my old 2012 MacBook, and see if it's even worth investing your money. But I feel like I'm here on YouTube and I'm here for the long haul. So my husband said just go ahead and get yourself your own MacBook Pro. So I'm here with this one, and I think it's so cute. I love the color. And yes, so I'll be back with a comparison video, maybe I'll say a week or two. Until next time, Syd signing off. Peace.